Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up Montserrat online immigration and customs portal, which is available 72 hours before your travel into Montserrat. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body, so in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, when you go to this country, like any country, you have to declare your customs and other relevant immigration information. Now with this online method, what you can do, you can fill it up to 72 hours before you travel. You can take a printout and you can go over there, so that there's no need to fill up any form on the spot, so that you have proper time to fill up, so that it reduces your chances of making any mistake. All right, so I've opened in front of you. Okay, the process they have given here carefully. Okay, and you will get the receipt on your email. Okay, this you can save and print and present it to immigration custom officials on arrival. What you need: flight and trip information. If you have booked the flight, definitely you have this information. Travel document, your passport. Okay, biodata page and email address. So once you're ready, tap on get started. If you're coming for the first time, you'll go for the create option. Are you a citizen of Montserrat? I'm making sample, so I select no. How are you entering? I select airline. So I select this one, fly. Country of boarding. I mean, you need to do as per your own case. If you have definitely, if you have like I mean, if you have booked a flight already, definitely you have. Okay, port of arrival. Okay, date of arrival. So I select 21st. Next step, must be at least 3 characters. Okay, I am putting sample, guys, that's why, sorry about that. Now your information, so it's asking first name, last name. Okay, so it asks for first name, last name. I put sample, gender, country of birth, date of birth, nationality, marital status, occupation. Now your address. Now phone number, email address important. And then so when you enter any of these pieces of information, make sure you check everything 2 times. There is no chance of an error. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put these 2, email address, phone number, and tap next, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Before that, you have to check this also. Next is about your travel document type. I select passport number. Okay guys, now it's asking about travel document number, country, issue date, expiry date, photo of bio page, and country that you have visited in last 21 days. So I did this. Now I'm gonna tap on next. Next is the destination information, purpose of visit. I'll select holiday. Accommodation type, I select hotel. Hotel name, number of nights, I go to next step. Health information, in past have any person traveling with you and the following symptoms. None of the above, but yeah, read it carefully and then do. Next step, custom. How many pieces checked and hand luggage, travel total piece of. So I put like 2 and 0, luggage and unaccompanied, but you need to do as per you. We are bringing food, plants, vegetables, bringing pharmaceuticals, arms, ammunition, this country. Provide any additional information that you want. Do you have any items to declare? I select no. Okay. Next is the departure. How are you leaving departure? Airline. Okay. And then you need to fill the same information. Same information means the information, I mean your information, that how you are leaving the country, not the arrival information. Okay. So airline, flight number, registration, and then in the next step you need to like accept and submit declaration, and then it will send you the email. Of course I'm not going to do that, but you got this information how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.